Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on NIO on October the 20th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $6.77 at pre-market hours and at $6.75 at regular hours. And at this point, my main assumption was that we've completed a wave retracement to the upside, to the downside. Sorry, we have to complete the B wave, and then we have to see another leg to the downside that will finish the entire retracement for this movement to the upside. And from this point, we have to see the next leg to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset went higher exactly as I expected, and potentially this is a good contender to be the top of the B wave. And this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, guys, you can accept my unique offer. It is pretty much 100% risk-free offer, because I will refund all of your money if you will not be successful with my calls. And you might wonder, what should you do to accept this offer? Just subscribe to my channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And guys, on today's video, I will show you the price targets for the potential retracement. I will show you the major price target for NIO in the medium-term perspective, and I will show you its very important fundamental news that might be a catalyst, bullish catalyst for the stock for the end of the year. So let's begin with the general sentiments related to this stock, and I want to pay attention first of all to the articles related to NIO that were published just recently on cnvpass.com. Let me quote you just the titles. NIO to unveil new flagship SUV ES9 in Q2 2026. Onvo L90 reaches 30,000th delivery. October volume poised to surpass 10,000 again. NIO expects ES6 SUV to hit 300,000th delivery milestone in November. NIO delivers over 10,000 cars last week as Onvo L90 hits record high. NIO's William Li reiterates Q4 profitability target at internal meeting. And guys, all of these news one by one and combined are showing us that we might see a substantial improvement in fundamentals of NIO within next several months, and definitely if and when NIO achieves its goal of profitability in Q4 of this year, it will be a huge bullish catalyst for this stock, and it will definitely be very beneficial for NIO shareholders. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, I want to pay attention to the forecast that you can find on tradingview.com. And as you can see, among 24 analysts, we have a quite wide range of price targets. The lowest price target is set at $3. The highest is set at almost $9. And the average price target is set at $7.3, which implies about 5.85% of upside potential. On the one hand, it is not the biggest upside potential for this stock, but on the other hand, guys, everyone is waiting for the news that will be published first on their earnings report. And let's take a look when this report will be published. You can see this tiny rectangle icon, and potentially they will disclose their report on November 19th. And definitely, if the results of the previous quarter, and especially if the forecast and the guidance are the most promising for this stock, definitely it will be a huge movement to the upside for the share price as well. So guys, let's zoom in to hourly time frame, and let me explain you what price target this asset might hit. So first of all, with the assumption that we've completed the top of the B wave at this point at roughly $7.09, if this top holds, we can project the bottom of the C wave. And to do so, we can pull the Fib extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of the B wave right here. And the most probable extension in the C wave projected from the length of the A wave is 1-to-1, which means we might hit about $5.28 price target. But at the same time, guys, if we want to see an impulsive movement to the upside in its fifth wave, first of all, this asset shouldn't break 0.5 level at $5.68. And to be honest, this range from $5.5 to $5.7 might be very substantial range of support, because we also have several ranges of structural support from previous price action, from this top and from this bottom. And if this movement to the downside begins within next several sessions, and if it breaks this bottom, we might rely on these ranges as a potential price target. Otherwise, guys, if I'm completely wrong with my forecast, this asset shouldn't break this bottom, and from this point we have to see its movement to the upside. To be honest, it is not my primary count, because I prefer to see more clear picture on the structure of the movements. And that is why, guys, I highly encourage you to wait for more confirmation from the market, because potentially this B wave might not be formed yet, and in this case we might see another leg to the upside that will impact the price target of the potential bottom of the C wave if it happens. And for this case, guys, I prefer to do one step at a time. I will wait for the reaction out of the current ranges, and depending on the next leg, I will do another update, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. But fundamentally, guys, remember that this asset is extremely bullish, especially with the most recent news. That is why, guys, if this retracement to the C wave happens, I believe that it will not last for a long time, and it will be just a sharp movement to the downside with a quick, very quick and powerful buyback. And in this case, we will see its next impulsive movement to the upside to complete this top of the fifth wave. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys until next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on